Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. We are testing this DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. The grinder is on 4, and let's go ahead and make a drink. We use water, so we don't have to clean the machine again, but basically we're just demonstrating that the machine has good suction and has a portion control working. And if you ever want to program this machine, you just press and hold this button until it says program quantity, and then you stop it. You press the button again once you get the amount of liquid you want in your cup, and you do that first with the milk, and then you do that second with the coffee. And you can program each button that way. See, we get a nice shot of espresso. Good crema. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.